What if I told you one SUV is trusted by military units and rescue workers more than any other vehicle? After analyzing reliability data from Consumer Reports, JD Power, and real-world professional use, I found the SUVs you can trust anywhere. Which SUV earned a perfect 5 out of 5 reliability rating in luxury off-road testing? Number 1 will amaze you. Some SUVs break down in mall parking lots, while these 15 models conquer deserts, mountains, and disasters without missing a beat. We're counting down the SUVs that professionals trust with their lives. Let's dive in. Starting at number 15, Nissan Armada. This full-size SUV scores 3.5 out of 5 from RepairPal with annual repair costs of just $550, significantly lower than most full-size SUVs. The proven 5.6-liter V8 and traditional automatic transmission avoid Nissan's problematic CVTs. What makes it reliable? Body-on-frame construction and simple, proven powertrains. The 2018 model year is particularly dependable with very few NHTSA complaints. The catch? It's a gas-guzzling giant that most people overlook. But when you need serious towing capacity with bulletproof reliability, size matters. Speaking of overlooked reliability, wait until you see what Ford accomplished at number 13. At number 14, Ford Bronco. The reintroduced Bronco earns solid reliability ratings. Edmunds gives it 7.9 out of 10, JD Power scores it 76 out of 100, and Car and Driver rates it 9.5 out of 10. Many owners report trouble-free ownership, and here's what's impressive. The mechanical components are based on proven F-150 engines and Ranger chassis. As Ford's flagship SUV, significant attention was paid to ensuring dependable performance. The downside, it's still relatively new, so long-term reliability data is limited, but early signs point to Ford getting it right this time. Now, if Ford reliability surprises you, moving to number 13, Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler dramatically improved its reliability, scoring 82 out of 100 since 2020. The JL generation introduced in 2018 marked a major upgrade with better suspension and higher owner satisfaction. What's shocking, over 80% of owners report being very satisfied with their Wrangler. When properly maintained, these SUVs can last 200,000 plus miles. The reality? Earlier generations had reliability issues and maintenance costs can be higher than average, but modern Wranglers prove Jeep learned from past mistakes. Speaking of learning from mistakes, our next SUV shows how luxury can be reliable. Coming in at number 12, Acura MDX. The MDX provides luxury features with Honda's underlying reliability. While Consumer Reports ranks it lower than the Acura brand average, real-world owner experiences suggest solid long-term dependability. What works? Honda's proven V6 engines and refined manufacturing processes. The 2017-2021 model years show particularly strong reliability records. The compromise? Maintenance costs are higher than Honda models and some electronic features can be problematic, but the mechanical components are rock solid. Now, if Honda reliability in luxury form impresses you, wait until you see what GM achieved. The number 11 spot, GMC Yukon. The Yukon excels in reliability for full-size SUV duties, with the 2019 model year being particularly noteworthy for low complaint rates. It benefits from proven GM truck platforms and powertrains. Here's the advantage. Relationship to other GM truck platforms means parts availability and mechanic familiarity. The 2014 model year offers excellent used value with solid reliability. The trade-off. Full-size SUVs typically have lower reliability ratings than smaller vehicles, but within its segment, the Yukon performs admirably. For the number 10 position, Hyundai Tucson. The Tucson established itself as one of the more reliable compact SUVs. RepairPal gives Hyundai a 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating, ranking 5th among 26 compact SUV models. What's changing perceptions? JD Power awarded the Tucson 81 out of 100 overall, including 85 for reliability. Hyundai's 5-year unlimited mileage warranty provides additional confidence. The reality check. Brand perception still lags behind Japanese competitors, but smart buyers are discovering that Korean quality has dramatically improved. Now, if Korean progress impresses you, the next entry takes it even further. Moving up to number 9, Kia Sportage. The Sportage offers exceptional reliability with a 4.0 out of 5 rating from RepairPal, ranking 6th among 26 compact SUVs. JD Power gives it an impressive 83 out of 100 reliability score. Here's what's remarkable. Annual repair cost average just $462, making it one of the most affordable SUVs to maintain. Kaya's 10-year warranty demonstrates manufacturer confidence. The downside, it's still fighting brand perception battles despite excellent actual reliability. But when the numbers are this good, perceptions become irrelevant. Speaking of excellent numbers, our next SUV achieves perfection in safety and reliability. Our number 8 pick, Volvo XC40. The XC40 earned a remarkable 98% reliability rating and was named What Car's Car of the Year in 2018. Only 10 to 16% of owners report issues, typically minor problems like navigation glitches. What makes it special? Volvo's commitment to both safety and reliability shines through. The 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating combined with exceptional reliability makes it the safest small SUV available. The catch? Maintenance costs are higher than mainstream brands. But when reliability approaches perfection, premium maintenance becomes worthwhile. Earlier I mentioned 98% reliability, but high ratings mean nothing if you can't afford the repairs. I cover the true ownership costs of these reliable SUVs in this video right here. But first, let's reveal our top 7 champions. At number 7, Subaru Outback. The Outback excels in all-weather reliability, ranking in the top tier of Consumer Reports studies. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive is legendary for handling snow and challenging terrain. Here's what owners love. Many Outbacks handle off-road adventures surprisingly well, with successful navigation of remote camping spots and challenging trails. It's car-like reliability with SUV capability. The compromise? Interior space is limited compared to traditional SUVs, but when you need dependable all-weather transportation, the Outback delivers. Now, if all-weather capability matters to you, the number 6 position, Honda CR-V. The CR-V consistently ranks among the most reliable compact SUVs available. Its combination of practicality, fuel efficiency, and Honda's renowned reliability makes it perfect for daily adventures. What's proven? The CR-V's track record spans decades, with many examples easily surpassing 200,000 miles. Simple, well-engineered design minimizes failure points. The reality? Conservative styling won't turn heads. But when you prioritize getting there and back reliably, boring becomes beautiful. Speaking of proven reliability, our next SUV set the standard for its entire segment. For the number 5 position, Mazda CX-5. The CX-5 boasts an impressive 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating from RepairPal, ranking first among 26 midsize SUVs. In 2021, it was Consumer Reports' most reliable vehicle. Here's what's exceptional. J.D. Power awarded the 2024 CX-5 a reliability score of 82 out of 100. Many examples reach 150,000 to 200,000 miles with routine maintenance thanks to Skyactiv technology. The downside? Mazda's smaller dealer network can make service less convenient, but when reliability is this good, the extra effort becomes worthwhile. Now, if Mazda reliability impresses you, wait until you see what Toyota achieved in the compact segment. Moving up to number 4, Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 continues Toyota's reliability tradition with a 99.5% reliability rating from What Car. Only 3% of owners report problems, typically confined to non-engine electronics. What's remarkable? The RAV4's hybrid powertrains are particularly reliable, combining excellent fuel efficiency with Toyota's proven hybrid technology. It consistently appears on most reliable vehicle lists. The trade-off: popular models mean higher prices and limited availability. But when reliability approaches perfection, demand naturally follows. Speaking of perfection, our top 3 SUVs are trusted by professionals worldwide. Our number 3 pick, Honda Pilot. The Pilot consistently earns top marks for reliability among 3-row SUVs. With proper maintenance, Pilots routinely last well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance requirements. Here's why families trust it. Consumer Reports expects about average reliability for 2025, which for Honda represents consistently strong performance. The spacious interior combines with Honda's renowned build quality. The reality check: interior tech feels dated compared to newer competitors. But when you're planning 15+ years of family adventures, outdated tech becomes secondary to dependable transportation. But even Honda's family reliability can't match our next SUV's luxury dependability. In the runner-up position at number 2, Lexus GX. The GX represents the pinnacle of reliable luxury off-road capability. The 2021 and 2022 model years received perfect 5 out of 5 reliability ratings, making it one of the most reliable vehicles available. What makes it legendary? Based on Toyota's proven 4Runner platform, it combines luxury appointments with legendary Toyota reliability. RepairPal rates the GX 470 at 3.9 out of 5 with annual repair costs around $600. The catch: luxury maintenance costs and premium fuel requirements. But when you need luxury comfort with bulletproof reliability, nothing else combines both qualities so effectively. But our number 1 pick earned the trust of the world's most demanding professionals. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, Toyota 4Runner. The 4Runner stands as the most reliable off-road SUV you can buy, with a remarkable 8.3 out of 10 reliability rating and ranking first among 32 midsize SUVs. It's trusted by military units, rescue workers, and families worldwide. Here's why it wins. RepairPal gives it a 4.0 out of 5 reliability score with annual repair costs of just $514. Over 50% of 4Runners reach 200,000 plus miles, and the average lifespan is 200,174 miles. The best part, Toyota's proven 4.0-liter V6 and bulletproof 5-speed automatic simply don't quit. When lives depend on getting there and back, professionals choose the 4Runner. These 15 SUVs earned their reputation through decades of proven performance in the world's most challenging conditions. From family road trips to professional rescue missions, they deliver when it matters most. But which specific model years should you target and which ones should you avoid? Some years of these reliable SUVs have hidden problems that can destroy their legendary dependability. I break down the best and worst years for each of these 15 SUVs in this video right here. Don't let one bad year ruin a great SUV choice.